So we're waiting on the ferry. It's over here somewhere. There. And since we have bikes, we have to take the car ferry. So all these cars here are waiting to get loaded up onto the ferry, which is pretty cool. And so they just drive up onto it. And that's what we'll have to do when we leave here, because we have to get from here in Verona to over there to Menaggio in order to go to Switzerland. So you have to get across the lake. Pretty cool. There's my husband.
What do you want to say? So if you go back home.
You thought I could do it.
You can do it, my love.
This is like the hardest thing I've ever done, but it's so worth it. I mean, come on. That's not real. Incredible. I'm dying. Alex is fine, but I'm dying. But it's so good. Dreamed of. And there's Switzerland over there. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How was the biking for you?
Really good.
Alex did great.
Did good.
We're not gonna talk about me. So this is what's this place called again? Tortex? We're on Lake Lugano, and the city of Lugano is in that direction. We can't see it from here, but that is in Switzerland. So somewhere here is the border. Very beautiful. How do you feel about your pasta?
I'm very proud of it.
It was pretty beautiful.
Probably more proud of it than anything I've ever done.
All right, that's pretty rude. Okay, just got married 1 week ago today.
This is really
Oh my gosh, what is happening? Where are we? Wow, what? Can we move here?
No.
Why?
Can't afford it.
You don't know.
Pretty sure.
He loves Alex now. I sat down to hang out with him and he left me for Alex. Oh my god, he loves you. He hates me. Hi! Hi! Oh, Alex, can we take him home? Alex, he doesn't have a collar. You do? I love you. Wouldn't hurt to say it every now and then.